Now, the last time we spoke about Dogecoin, I told you guys that there is a 600% target incoming. In fact, that was the title of my video. And not just that, guys, I also used the lifeline indicator to give you guys the next bid opportunity on Dogecoin's chart. And here it is. Now, the lifeline indicator is telling us that, okay, the next buy opportunity comes in at around 0.127. But now, question is, what is the probability of price actually coming down to give us that official test at around 0.127? Now, fast forward to today, everything is status quo on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and turn on all my drawings for you. All right, so the last time we spoke about Dogecoin was right here. You can see that price has rallied a tad bit to 14 cents, got rejected off of that region, and then retraced back down, but into where? Our purple buy zone at 0.127. Not only did it retrace into our buy zone, it caught a bid off of that region and bounced right off a good 30%. Guys, now is the time to be locking in. Now is the time that you could be making those life-changing gains as traders. I even put out a dedicated video as to why I believe altcoin season is right around the corner. I'll be linking this in the end card, so don't forget to watch it. Now, trends, guys, are going to move like this. We're going to see a series of higher highs and higher lows, and you need to make it your business to capture these minor pullbacks. Okay, because it's in those minor pullbacks that you can find your stress-free trades. And here at Mango, we're always going to focus on capturing the stress-free trade. The last thing you want is to get in on a trade, but then be glued to your screens managing that trade. All right, that is no fun. That's no fun. All right, and you're going to make mistakes. You want to capture the dip opportunities like we had one right here at the 0.127 range. Now, as far as Dogecoin's trend is concerned, this is a powerful one. It's clearly trending on the 1 hour time frame. But this right here is a critical breakout of a major region of resistance. Now, this red zone, guys, has been derived from the monthly time frame. Okay, you can see how we had multiple rejections right here. We had one right here, and we had one right here. We only had one violation of the zone, which came in right around here, but this nonetheless has been a critical region of resistance for the bulls. Now, we are 2 days away from closing this monthly candle. If this monthly candle closes over the red box territory, that's going to be a very strong picture for the bulls, at which point I'll be looking for a minor pullback. Okay, perhaps if it's generous enough, it's going to give us a retest and then another move to the upside. And why am I anticipating another move to the upside? It's because, guys, there are multiple. This is something else that I brought up in the previous video. I'm seeing multiple bullish cascading pattern plays right here. All right, so the first one is this massive cup and handle formation. All right, do you guys spot it? This most recent monthly candle of October is about to complete this cup and handle formation. Now, why do I think it's going to complete it? Because, like I said, there's a cascading pattern play actually in effect here. If I take you on over to the weekly time frame, there was another bullish pattern here. This was a falling wedge on the weekly time frame, which is officially broken out, the measured move to which we have not gotten up to just yet. That's a good 20 cents. But even price getting up to 20 cents is going to inch us ever so close to breaking the massive cup and handle like formation that I just spotted out for you on the monthly time frame. Now, guys, if you're looking to take advantage of this next big move on Dogecoin, make sure to check out BitUnix's very generous campaign where they're literally giving traders free USDT for their deposits. This is going to help tremendously with any of the positions that you put on. So go ahead and check it out. You guys still have a good 9 days left on it. So make sure to use the link in the description below to jump in on the offer. Now, before I go over the targets, guys, let's talk about the next potential bid opportunity. It gets harder and harder, right? And that's what I mean. When prices are consolidating, look for those good, easy to manage trades, because once it rallies 30%, there's a bit of discomfort that you guys go through when actually putting on the trade, because you're like, oh shoot, it's already rallied a good 30%. Could we get a pullback? Is this a good time to be buying in? Am I breakout buying? No one wants to go through those emotions. There's always a level of discomfort. That's why capitalize on the consolidation. Now, as far as our bid opportunity is concerned, I always default on over to the #1 objective indicator for me right here, which is the Mango dashboard. By the way, guys, I'm going to be posting trade setups under the premium video section. I did post one 2 days ago. It hit the bid, bounced right off the bid. You're already up on that trade. Keep your eyes on the premium video section. A lot more alpha coming in right there. All right, so you're going to find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Let's go ahead and filter out Dogecoin from this list. Okay, now DogeUSDT, geez Louise. Okay, this is looking good. Longs across the board, so bulls have taken over. If you caught any, say you didn't catch the video, you didn't catch the trade. All right, but you caught the trend flip on the dashboard. So you had an alert. The dashboard then sent you an email saying that, hey, so-and-so, the trend is now flipped long. It's flipped bullish. Check out the chart. And you managed to catch a trade based on that signal. You are up across the board, irrespective of what time frame you were playing. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, you're up a good 19%. In fact, if you're someone who caught the trade on the 2-day time frame, you're up a good 31%. Congratulations to you if you're one of those people. However, now we're here to figure out if we could actually look for a bid opportunity, perhaps a pullback somewhere, right? Now, to gauge the pullback, guys, I often look for the volatility profile. The volatility profile on the 4-hour time frame is sitting at 100. When I see these red frothy numbers on the volatility profile, that's when I usually look for a pullback opportunity. All right. However, I believe it's going to be a minor pullback, something that will play out on the 4-hour time frame to the 12-hour time frame, primarily owing to decent volatility readings on the daily and the 12-hour time frame. When I see like good blue, orange readings on the volatility profile, I'm saying that those bulls, right, we might be seeing a lower time frame pullback but into higher time frame support. And right now the current picture that's unfolding on Dogecoin sort of sits in line with that, because that red box territory is a monthly region of resistance and we are approaching the month end. So we know to expect the pullback on the lower time frames. Usually I go ahead and figure out where is the current trend being established at, like what time frame. And right now I believe the primary trend is being established, believe it or not, on the 1-hour time frame. All right, so now that we know that, okay, this is the primary trend, let's go ahead and switch on the lifeline indicator. Now, guys, the lifeline is currently on sale. Make sure to use the B-Day 2024 coupon code if you're looking to jump in. But it's the lifeline indicator that actually caught us that previous bid at 0.127, that purple box territory right here. Right, bounced right off of it, and then that was a good 30% on that trade. Now, based on the lifeline indicator, guys, this entire zone right here is your bid zone. But if I really have to pick a zone out of this, I'm saying it's gonna come in right here. I'm willing to get greedy on it, considering that we're up against monthly resistance and also inching towards month end. I'm saying anywhere between 16 cents and 15 cents is going to be that next bid zone. What's really cool about the lifeline is that as soon as it starts breaking that invalidation point, you know that, okay, you're wrong on the trade for the time being, okay, and you can actually gun for a better bid on the chart. Imagine getting in a position right here only to see prices fall into the bid zone, but you're already down a good 6% at that point. Now suddenly adding to that position becomes that much harder. All right, you always got to make sure that your trades are easy to manage. And this is one way in which you can do it. Actually capture those pullbacks instead of getting in on the breakouts. As far as targets concerned, guys, keep it macro, okay? Cup and handle formation, take the measured move, plot it on the break. Where is this going to take Dogecoin up to? It's going to take us all the way up to, wow, very close to $1. Actually, no, slightly past $1. $1.03. From where price is at right now to $1.03, that's going to be a good 534% to the upside. And that's just an interim target. Could it run more from there? Of course it can. All right, we're heading into bull market territory right now. So yeah, eyes on the prize. Also, guys, the birthday coupon ends in 2 days. Right now, it's applicable on all courses, the seed, the sprouts. By the way, sprouts module 7 drops today, FYI. And also on all the indicators, okay? So go ahead and check it out while it lasts. Now with this, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to mention which altcoin you want me to cover next. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.